Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Up English, Learn from Zero. I'm Anna.
And I'm John. It's a beautiful day, and honestly, it feels perfect for learning English.
Totally. I'm full of energy today. How about you?
Same here. I feel like today is going to be a great day.
Nice. And you just used going to, the future tense.
Really? I didn't even notice. It just came out naturally.
Perfect, because today we're talking about the future, how to talk about future plans in real life.
Oh, not flying cars and robots?
No, just your real future plans, like what you'll do tomorrow or next week.
Ah, real life stuff. That's useful. I use the future tense every day without thinking.
Same here. And before we jump in, if you enjoy our conversations, please subscribe and hit the like button. It helps our channel so much.
Yes, thank you. And share this video with a friend who's learning English too. Learning with a friend is always better.
Okay, John, let's talk about the future. There are two common ways, will and going to.
I hear them all the time, but I still mix them up sometimes.
Don't worry, it's actually simple. We use going to for plans, things you decided before this moment.
For example, this Saturday, I'm going to play tennis with my brother. I planned it yesterday.
Exactly, that's a plan, going to. Now we use will for decisions made right now.
Like if my phone rings, oh, I'll answer it.
Perfect, you decided on the spot.
And will is also for promises, right?
Yes, like I'll call you later, or I'll help you.
And going to becomes gonna when we speak fast.
Right, but only when speaking. Never write gonna in an email to your boss.
Noted. I'm gonna play tennis sounds natural with friends though.
Let's practice. Tell me about your dream holiday. Use going to.
Next summer, I'm going to go to Italy. I love Italian food. I'm going to eat a lot of pasta and visit Rome.
That sounds amazing. And your grammar is perfect because those are your plans.
Thanks. What about you?
I'm going to stay home. I'm going to relax, read books, and sleep a lot.
Honestly, that sounds like a great holiday too.
There's one more thing. Sometimes we use the present continuous for the future.
Really? Like I'm working tomorrow?
Yes, when it's a fixed arrangement, something scheduled.
Like I'm meeting my friend at 5 p.m.?
Exactly. Or I'm flying to New York on Friday.
Got it. Going to for plans, will for quick decisions and promises, present continuous for fixed schedules.
You've got it. English is like a small logic game. Once you know the rules, it becomes easy. Before we finish, we want to hear from you.
Yes, tell us in the comments, what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to relax.
I'm going to eat pizza.
Of course you are.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next conversation.
Thank you so much for listening. Have a wonderful future, everyone. Bye.